So we're on page 334, number 6. Write a verbal description of what this inequality represents in the context of the snow cone business. So please remember, if you will, that this part right here had to do with profit and then less than 0. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can figure it out. Okay, it looks to me that this is a number of snow cones sold where they will lose money. Because if the profit is less than 0, that means it's negative and they will lose money. Next, they want us to solve the inequality, so let me just jot this down real quickly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add this 245 to both sides. And that's going to yield 63/100 x is less than 245. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by that 63/100. And we end up with x is less than, rounding to the nearest tenth, 388.9. Now they would like for us to graph that on the number line, so I'll put the 388.9 here, 388, 389, and that's an open circle, and we are shading to the left. It says show that one value from the solution set checks. Well, let's try 388 snow cones. Let's see if they make any money with that. So I'll do negative 245 plus 0.63 times 388 is less than 0. Go ahead and pause this and put this in your calculator to see what you get. Okay, well, I got negative 56. It's less than 0, so clearly that is true. So this checks out. And number 10 says, what exactly does the solution to the inequality tell us about the business? So go ahead and pause and write down what you think it should be. Okay, so recall that our solution was x is less than 388.9. So I rightly said if they sell less than 389 snow cones, will that be 388 or anything less than that, they will lose money.